continuation of topic. Constant frequency control method. Constant frequency control method. The chopping frequency f can be constant. Here chopping frequency f can be constant. By the varying on time period, by the varying of on time period, and off time period is the constant by the varying of on time period. Hence the duty cycle alpha is changed when on time period is the changed. So by the varying of t on time period, so the duty cycle also changing. The duty cycle is nothing but alpha is equal to on time period by total time period. The definition of duty cycle is nothing but it is the defined as the ratio of on time period to total time period. On time period to total time period. So here the changing of on time period and duty cycles also changed. Duty cycle also changed. Hence the average output voltage and currents are changed. The average output voltage and current are changed. So here constant frequency control method, constant frequency control method, constant frequency control methods. So the figure 4th A. In constant frequency control method, we have to change the value of on time period, the keeping t of time period is the constant. T of time period is the constant. On time period is the changing, off time period is the constant. So we have to obtain the figure A from in this figure. Figure A we have to obtain. Here on time period is the changing, off time period is the constant. So this is called the constant frequency control method. So the chopping frequency is the changing, on time period is the varying, off time period is the constant. Then alpha is also changing. The alpha equal to on time period by total time period. That is the constant frequency method. That is the constant frequency method. Here the frequency does not changing here. The phase of same frequency does not change. That is the only on time period that changes. But so the variable output voltage are obtained here. Variable output you have to obtain. The average output voltage and current is the changes. Average output voltage and currents are the changes. Here the figure B is nothing but here alpha equal to first figure A is nothing but alpha equal to 0.6 and figure B equal to alpha equal to 0.5. The value of alpha for figure A, the value of alpha is equal to 0.6. For figure B, alpha equal to 0.8. Alpha equal to 0.8. For figure B, alpha equal to 0.8. So here we have to changing the value of on time period only, on time period, and alpha also changes. Alpha equal to on period is the changes. Alpha also changes. But constant frequency. But frequency is the constant. We have to change the value of on time period only here. So here that is the figure equal to alpha equal to 0.6 equal to, so on time period equal to 0.6 into total time period. So for the figure B, alpha equal to 0.8, alpha is 0.8. So on time period is equal to 0.8 into T. T is the total time period. T equal to total time period, on time period plus off time period, on time period plus off time period. Either on time period or off time period also change. But total time period kept constant. That is the chopping frequency is constant. Chopping frequency is the constant. Hence it is a constant frequency control method. Constant frequency control method. It is the constant frequency control method, and it is a variable frequency control method. This is a variable frequency control method. This is a variable frequency control method. Variable frequency means we have to changing the value of total time period. Total time period. That is the variable frequency method. How to changing on time period and off time period. On time period or off time period. So here this is the first figure. By the varying of on time period, the off time period is the constant. Here off time period is the changing, on time period is the constant. So here remain here 2 figures, here 2 figures, 4 figures is, and here also 2 figures, and here also 2 figures, 4 figures is there, total 4 figures is there. Just you have to changing the value of on time period and off time period, on time period or off time period. So this is the main operation, is nothing but constant frequency method and variable frequency method. This is a variable frequency method. In the variable frequency method, by the changing of on time period and by the changing of off time period, or on time period is a constant or off time period is a constant. So alpha is changed and time period also changing and frequency also changed. Frequency also change. The constant frequency is a constant frequency value. Alpha equal to 0.6. So on time period equal to 0.6 into t. For the figure A. For the figure B, alpha equal to 0.8 and on time period equal to 0.8 into t. So you have to draw this figure. Variable frequency method, variable frequency control method, variable frequency control method by the varying of on time period. This is the by the varying of turn off time period. Off time period is the increasing. This is the constant frequency control method. This is the constant frequency control method. In constant frequency control method, here alpha equal to 0.6, first figure A, and figure B alpha equal to 0.8. Alpha equal to 0.8. So here we have to discuss about the definition of choppers, types of choppers, and application of choppers, and control methods of choppers. The definition of chopper is nothing but it is defined as chopper is a static device. Chopper is a static device which convert fixed DC voltage into variable DC voltage. Fixed DC voltage into variable DC voltage. So here this is a chopper definition. The fixed DC to variable DC voltage. Next, types of chopper. These types of choppers. According to process of conversion and according to magnitude of output voltage. According to process of conversion, nothing but AC link chopper, DC choppers. And according to output voltage, there are two types: step up chopper, step down choppers. These are flow charts. These are the flow charts form of choppers. AC link chopper, DC link chopper. Remains the AC link chopper is the two types. AC link chopper is the two types. Step up chopper, step down choppers. Step up choppers, step down choppers. DC link chopper also two types. Step up choppers, step down choppers. These are AC link choppers. Consist of inverter, transformer, converters. Inverters, transformer, converters. You have to obtain the variable DC output voltage. So it is just called AC link choppers. This is the operation of AC link choppers. And this is the disadvantage of AC link choppers. It requires the two-stage conversion. They are bulky in size, they are costly, they are less efficiency. These are the DC link choppers. The chopper is a device which converts from DC power voltage into variable DC voltage, fixed voltage into variable DC voltage. They are the application. So this is the application and control methods. Constant frequency control method and variable frequency control method. Constant frequency control method and variable frequency control method we have to discuss. Next, some quiz questions is there. Chopper is a dash device, variable, bulky, static, AC. Once again I am repeating. Chopper is a dash device. Option A is variable, option B is bulky, and option C is static, option D is AC. These are the competitive exam questions. These are the objective type for the competitive set and job purpose. So chopper is a static device. Already we have to discuss the definition of chopper. I'll discuss the definition of chopper. Chopper is a static device. Static switches or device which is used to convert fixed DC input voltage into variable DC output voltage. So here the chopper is a nothing but which device? Static device. Static device means option C is the correct answer. Next question. Chopper are used in. What is the definition of chopper? Chopper is a nothing but. What is the definition of chopper? Chopper is a nothing but fixed DC voltage into variable DC voltage. That is called as a chopper. So which option is the correct? The option A is nothing but fixed AC voltage into variable AC. This is not correct. Option B is nothing but fixed AC voltage to fixed AC voltage. This is also not correct. And fixed AC voltage into variable AC voltage. This is also not correct. Fixed DC voltage to variable DC voltage. This is option is the correct. So the option D is correct answer. So chopper are used in which convert fixed DC voltage to variable DC voltage. That is called as the chopper. Next question. Question number 3. The question number 3 is nothing but in variable frequency control method chopper, on time period is constant, off time period is varying. If on time period is 3.6 milliseconds, if off time period is varied from 2.4 millisecond to 4.4 millisecond. What will be now chopping frequency and duty cycle? What is the chopping frequency and duty cycle? So what is the chopping frequency? The chopping frequency is nothing but F equal to 1 by T. 1 by T. F equal to 1 by T. So here on time period equal 3.6. Off time period equal to varied from 2.6 to 4.4. So the total time period equal to 1 by on time period plus off time period. On time period plus off time period. That total time period. That is called as the chopping frequency. That is called as the chopping frequency. The duty cycle is nothing but on time period by total time period. On time period is nothing but on time period by total time period. On time period is total time period. So that is the duty cycle. That is the duty cycle. So we have to calculate the value of F equal to 1 by T and alpha equal to on time period by total time period. Alpha equal to total on time period by total time period. We have to calculate and practice these questions. Next question. The variable frequency control method. The input is the 250 volts. The input is the 250 volts. And the voltage chopper on time period, off time period is constant. On time period is varied in variable. So off time period 2.4 millisecond. On time period varied from 3.6 to 5.6 milliseconds. 3.6 to 5 milliseconds. What will be a new chopping frequency and output voltage? What is the new chopping frequency and output voltage? So here the output voltage equal to chopping frequency F into on time period into Vs. The input voltage is also given 250. 250 input voltage, chopping frequency you have to calculate the value equal to 1 by T and alpha you have to calculate on time period by total time period. Then you have to obtain the chopping frequency and output voltage. Chopping frequency and output voltage. So this problem also you have to practice. Okay, now the input voltage is given Vs equal to 250 volts and on time period is nothing but here off time period is nothing but 2.4 milliseconds and on time period is varied from 3.6 to 5.6 so how much on time period is there, so that is the on time period we have to calculate and off time period is there. So the total time period equal to on time period plus total time on time period plus off time period, that is the total time period. So the chopping frequency equal to 1 by F and output to voltage is equal to V out equal to chopping frequency into on time period into alpha. This is the question. And this is also same question. The input voltage is 230 volts is given for the constant frequency control method. In a constant frequency control method 200 volts and input voltage of chopper is T and off time period are 150 milliseconds and here chopping frequency, the input voltage of chopper is and total time period are 150 milliseconds and off time period is 50 milliseconds respectively. If the on time period is varied from 75 to 75 millisecond, what will be the off time period and output voltage? So all formulas is there. You have to calculate and practice. This problem also. The problem is the most important. Next, some of the frequently asked question here. The first question is nothing but explain in details about the types of chopper according to the process of conversion. Details of chopper. That is the AC link chopper and DC link chopper. Okay, na? Two types of chopper is there, AC link and DC link chopper. Two types of chopper. So we have to discuss and details is about, and means you have to draw the circuit diagram and the operation of AC link chopper and DC link chopper. You have to draw the circuit diagram and AC link chopper and DC link choppers. Define chopper. Next question is the define chopper, state its application. Define chopper, state its application. The define choppers. Define chopper means the definition of choppers. Definition of choppers. The chopper is nothing but fixed DC voltage to variable DC voltage. Fixed DC voltage to variable DC voltage. And its application. And its application. The application is nothing but what are the applications? It is used in traction systems. It is used in motor vehicle operated. It is used in fork light lighting, and it is used in hoist. It is used in the traction systems. These are the applications. And next question is nothing but explain AC link chopper and states its disadvantages. Explain AC link chopper. In AC linked chopper consists of three parts, that the inverter, transformer and rectifier. Inverter, transformer, rectifier. So the inverter which convert from DC power into AC power, and transformer is the AC voltage level is increasing or decreasing, and rectifier is nothing but which convert from AC power into DC power. And it's the disadvantages. Already discussed we had the disadvantages. That is the system is bulky, less efficiency, two-stage conversion, and high cost. These are the disadvantages of AC link chopper. Explain the methods of control of output chopper with help of diagram. Control methods: constant frequency control method of chopper, and second one is nothing but variable frequency control methods of chopper. The first is nothing but constant frequency control method of chopper and variable frequency control methods of chopper. So this is the two types of control methods of chopper. Next question: with the help of diagram, explain the variable control methods of chopper. Explain the variable frequency control method of chopper by using the diagram. Variable frequency method. Next, with the help of the diagram, explain the constant frequency control method. So these two equation is the constant frequency. This is a variable frequency control method. These two, and this is the constant frequency control method. With help of diagram, you have to explain. So these are the frequently asked question. So you have to any doubt, you have to write the description and in the description side, and you have to post in the description side, and prepare well and read well and prepare well. Here the clearly explain with the slide the AC link chopper and the DC link choppers and disadvantages and definition of AC link chopper. These are the applications. Okay now, all of you which shows the slide and note down, and to maintain the notes, keep in your mind all these points. These are control methods. These are the output waveform for the variable frequency control method. By the on time period is the varying, off time period is the constant. Like this. So in the book we have in the book. So here already we have to maintain in slides here. So there is no any missing points. I have explained clearly with this slide. and some competitive descriptive competitive bits are there, you have to prepare, and some problems is there, and this is the long questions. These are the long questions. Okay, thank you.